Hey, what's good? It's Roknin, and I am back playing Wonderful 101. And I've made a couple purchases. Basically, well, I made just some small stuff. I'm still stocking up money. I don't know why. I probably should buy more stuff. All I bought was the energy converter. It was relatively cheap considering the money I had and the money I left over from the last boss. But I can't believe I left all that money sitting there. If I can go ahead and buy that for now. I want to buy Speedliner, but I'm gonna wait just a little bit more. I want to buy Formation Charge because now I know what it does. I'm like, oh my god, I need that. But again, not a lot of loot, and I'm gonna wait until I get a bunch more. So I'm probably gonna replay some other levels, try and build some more money before I go back and get those things. Because why not? I don't want to go broke. Yeah, and other than that, that's all I really bought. Treasure sensor. Nah, I'm not worried about that just yet. And I bought some other supplies. I bought Wonderful Soup and Super Wonderful Soup, and I bought a couple of cakes so I can get cash back if I need it if it's an emergency. Other than that, I'm just ready to go. So let's see what Oasis is in. Operation 003.
Stratospheric Airport.
Stratospheric Airport. Love that accent. All right, let's go.
Team, thanks to your efforts, we've regained complete control of the Sentinel comm network, and strategic data is coming back online. We are now able to assess the invaders' tactical capabilities in detail, and track their movements across the entire planet. Alice, is your analysis complete?
Displaying strategic information now.
Oh, we're displaying strategic information.
Showing a massive enemy fleet in sector SK6108. They're headed for Stratoport at high speed.
Stratoport? No, can't be.
Alice, plot a course for Stratoport immediately. Maximum speed.
Roger.
Nelson, bro? I don't suppose you could give us, like, the dumbed-down version of what's up? I mean, I'm down, but some of these guys aren't the sharpest swords in the rack.
Indeed! I second this notion. Certain wonderful ones may not be so wonderful in grasping the peril at hand.
Wow.
The majority of the Geth-Jerk invasion force is still held at bay by our hyper-plasma shield, Margarita, which is powered by super reactors positioned at 5 strategic locations across the planet. They've been carefully camouflaged to prevent the jerks from discerning their location.
Prevent the jerks.
But despite our efforts,
their name.
The enemy is moving in to strike one of the reactors as we speak.
Dude, this is bad. I mean, I knew it was bad all along. It all spelled out and really brings it home.
Wonder Blue is great.
You don't think they've hacked the main Mother Platinum system, do you?
No, there's no sign Mother Platinum
I'm sorry.
has been compromised.
Blue.
This glorified smartphone leak the information? Peace out?
I don't even have access.
Without Margarita, Earth would already be lost. It was the brainchild of a brilliant young scientist, and without her sacrifice, it would never have been completed. We'll defend it with our lives. We owe her legacy that much.
Huh?
We've reached the target coordinates, decelerating to impulse speed. Tachyon radar shows a formation of stratospheric shuttles.
Oh, Wonder Blue is the greatest.
SOS from
I take it back. Wonder Pink is cool,
long-range camera feed on screen.
and Wonder Red's the homie, but Wonder Blue was my boy. He is my favorite.
Those jerks. We can't
Those
lose.
jerks.
Wonderful 100. You need to get in there and save those shuttles.
Oh my god, Wonder
Virgin
Blue.
Victory will handle any enemy air power.
Roger, team, fall in.
I mean, I knew this guy is great. He's the best. Okay. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Everybody's transferred. Okay. Getting used to like transforming and like doing the motion. It's way easier to do it with the second analog stick rather than drawing it. Way easier. Way easier. I mean, not that I was drawn before anyway, but whoa, hey, I see fire. Okay. Couldn't do decide how they want me to hold that. Anybody I'm missing? No, we got everybody over here. Okay.
What the heck? What's the kid doing here?
Wow, where'd he come from?
Luca? You're supposed to be in sickbay.
Huh? How do you know my name?
Cause that's what the other kids at school call you?
You all patched up, sweetie? I was nothing, just a scratch. Hey, you guys are gonna go fight those aliens, right? I know you can't do it alone. I'll go with you.
Sorry, little dude. Ankle biters and firefights don't mix.
Ankle biters and fire.
I know I can do this. I know I can. Take me with you.
No means no. N-O. No way. Better run home to mama now, kid.
How am I supposed to get home, huh? Flap my arms and fly? Besides, my mom and dad are gone.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap. Wow.
Look, there's no time to argue. Luca's coming with us.
Dude.
Electroplate him with a tiny wonder mask. An extra tiny one. Everyone else, cover Luca.
Okay, so we have Luca with us now. It's random. Hey, you got a wonderful new suit to go. I can dig it. Oh, I gotta actually. Oh, I know how to do that. Temporary member. That's pretty dope.
How do you like me now?
Team, let's move!
Roger.
I like the giant sword way too much. Do not give me a giant screen clearing sword. Let me try to miss anything in here. Okay. Oh, so this is where I gotta go. Yeah. Okay. What the? Oh. Well, let me go ahead and turn that. That'd be cool. That's dope. Okay. So we go this way. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Cricket's agility. That looks good. That looks like a good thing about to happen. Oh boy. Okay, that's sick. That's so sick. At the same time, it's kind of scary. What are you? Invon. He looks like. I don't know why I'm getting Enderman vibes from him. Probably because of the all black with the glowing eye. Yeah. So now the question is, what are we? Okay, we're just moving onward. I don't know if I can fight this dude without actually seeing him. Okay. Come here. Oh, he blew up. Dang it. I wanted him. Uh-oh. He actually hit me. try and be careful. I wonder if I can get him. Got him. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! That's one. Dodge. Oh, I tried to dodge and it wouldn't let me. Or not, it wouldn't let me. I didn't press it in time, I guess. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. Come here. Come here, you. Let's take another piece. Ooh, wow. I actually dodged it the wrong way, but hey, I'll take it. I don't know why I did that as a waste of a meter. God, this dude is just really trying to do this today. Oh, wow. Okay, didn't see that coming. Finally done with the armor? Good. Okay. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Oh, Jesus. He was like, no, I'm not having that. So, is it... Dang. Okay. I'm trying to remember how to do that, but I can't recall now. The climb attack's what I'm trying to do. Somebody probably knows, and I'm probably doing it wrong. How do you... Oh, Jesus. I didn't mean to press that, actually. Well, that was a mistake. Alright, I gotta charge this energy, because we are out completely. Really shouldn't take this long to kill this guy. Whoa, for some reason I didn't get a fist. Over here. That's what I wanted. Combo. There we go. We got him. That took way too long. I want to mention that. So there's more stuff coming, huh? Because they didn't give me a score yet, so that means there's more coming. Oh. That seemed easy enough. I like this view. It's really dramatic, but yeah, I could barely see. I didn't do too bad when we get gold. Looks like maybe.
Hey! Hey! This is a trifling bit uncomfortable in here. Come on, y'all. I'm too old to be stuck. I need my blankie. Somebody want to let me out of this contraption before nap time? Hello?
I'm trying, but it's not giving me a...
I'm in here. Come on, y'all. I'm too old to be stuck. I need my blankie.
Who is this and why is he still talking?
Somebody want to let me out of this contraption before nap time? Hello? Hey! Hey! This is a trifling
Oh, just hit it. Okay.
in here.
Guess that was easy enough. This guy.
Oh, Jiminy Christmas. Don't you kids know how to save an old man proper like?
Sorry, mister.
Oh, it's you,
Wow.
Professor. My dear Professor. It has been so long.
He's gonna be fun. I can see it already.
As always, I see.
Now get.
Shirogane. Oh, okay.
Professor, what are you doing aboard the shuttle?
Why you always ask me questions you already got answers for? Those jerks are after the super reactor in the Stratoport. I was just taking some of my creations over to protect the reactor.
Why is it always protect and defend? Why can't we just take the fight to them? Just cut some bigwig alien's head off and say, see you later, bye-bye. Come on.
Blue.
Ah, Blue. I advise restraint. The geezer, he does not take well to critique.
Who you calling geezer, Baguette?
Call him a baguette.
If you could hold your horses for the 24 hours we need to keep that reactor going, then we can bring them all the tarnation you want.
Dude, that a promise?
I'll fill you in on the details once you've completed your mission. Now, my stuff's in the cargo bay of shuttle number 1. Y'all need to grab it and get it into the Stratoport. That shuttle goes down.
His head went straight up. Why?
Roger.
Apparently that was really serious. His hair went straight up for it. It is weird seeing one of those big robots in our team. At the same time, it's very awesome. It's very cool that you can do that, which... I'm gonna cut that real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn to this. Oh. Well, they'll just slide out the way for us. Okay. Whoa! Okay. A little skirt right now. Oh! Oh, wow, I lost a lot of guys. Trying to get him. I miss anybody? It doesn't look like I miss anybody. That and get them. Oh god, I got half my people burned. They'll be all right. They'll be okay. Or there's still more people here. I thought I got everybody. See, I got everybody now. Go, 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 go. Is that everybody? Did I miss any? There's one more. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, I didn't even see him attacking. Move out of the way. You guys are child's play. Shit. I actually missed that. Oof, lots of stuff going on. Sorry, I have not been talking very much, have I? I am just being quiet and playing, and I'm just like so into it right now. Wow. Okay. I need him to stop running. What in the hell is he? Oh, he's jetting around. You know what? Do it again. Go ahead. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Mm-hmm. You could go too. All right. Jesus, I didn't mean to do that actually. That's what I wanted. Oh, I shielded and whatever. Fine. Okay. Oh, I tried. That man over there, he's a dead one. Oh, his boy has hit me though. Jeez, explosions everywhere. Explosions all over the place. I hear the sound. Bop. You're done. You're done. You know that, right? Can't get the. I'm not doing a close. Oh, never mind. Cancel. Doesn't matter. Oh, we're definitely taking that. Oh, I just saw him. Dang, I just saw him. I just saw that one. Ah, that sucks. I just saw him. Very end. No, I want the gun. Jesus, this is so out of hand. Oh, whoa, I didn't mean to. Okay, whoa, this is like a poison. Yeah, this is a poison gas.
Gas is not so good for my complexion.
It's also not good for life. I don't know why you're worried about
Even
that.
your sentinel suits won't last long against the gas.
Roger. Team, let's move.
Roger.
We got 2 minutes, huh? Okay. I'm trying to be as few as possible. They are not. Oh, trying to get everybody. I'm gonna leave him right behind. My conscience won't let me do it. Oh, okay. Who is this randomly dropping in?
Oh, whoa, 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 oh! Where am I?
There, look what the cat dragged in.
Ah, you are all so late.
Wow.
This time I have been waiting.
And where are his eyes?
Comrade, where the heck have you been?
Commander Nelson orders me to be bodyguard for Professor following invasion. I fight alone. Many battles waiting for you.
Commander Nelson ordered you here? Amazing. He anticipated the enemy's movements perfectly.
But soon after I get here, I get lost. Then I find myself wandering. Alone. It is very lonely up above ceiling.
Yeah, what happened to guarding the professor?
Wow.
Don't you be looking at me. I hadn't the foggiest notion old Yeller was even on board. Also,
Oh, Yeller.
on the way to airport to come here, I get lost. I almost miss plane, but then I board plane. Barely.
Her
Whatever
face.
happened, happened. Right now we need your help, Mr. Ivan Eschennikov, a.k.a. the Hammering Ruski, Special Combat Agent, Siberia Field Office, Sentinel's Planetary Secret Service,
Jesus!
Wonder Yellow!
It is my honor to serve, Captain. My life.
How did he remember that entire long name?
Yours.
Wait, what?
But it is yours. My life. I'm so embarrassed.
Less conversation, more action, comrade.
Indeed. Here goes nothing. Wonder Eyes Yellow!
He sounds so confused. Oh wait, is this what I think it is? Do I have access to that now? Oh, this dude's cool. He's pointing to his muscle. Okay, this dude is too cool. Oh god! Oh god! This dude. Yes, it is. It is a hammer. Welp, the whip has just been replaced because I now have a new favorite weapon because it is a hammer. You never give Roknin a hammer. You never. Okay. Before we get all geeked and shit, let's think about this logically. Whoa, that was weird. I don't know if you saw that, but like my entire team was like glitching out over there. Hi. Okay. So that wasn't the best idea. That's okay. Let's just go over here real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and circle around real quick. There's two of you guys, so I don't want to. Oh god. Okay, get out the way. I need to figure out how to do this. Like, I have him targeted. I can get whip. I want the hammer, actually. Oh no, we don't want none of that. Oh, they got caught. Oh wow, okay. Oh, it's very slow, I see. Okay. I mean, that makes sense, but I don't have enough battery. Okay. Well, I'll wait around for a little bit. Alright, so I gotta figure out. I can't remember how to do the climb attack. Oh god, he's about to fire. Yep, they're gonna. Oh, I got hit. I didn't even realize I was even in his range. Oh, the hammer can stun, can it? I see. Oops. You know what? It's okay. Oh, damn. He did attack. The other one attacked. Oh, okay. Cool. Not enough people. Okay. Hang on. Whoa. Get over here. Damn, I can't really get... Okay, there we go. Right here. Oh, wow. He kicked half my people in the face. I missed. Boy, that was gonna fire! Ah, they're gonna all get caught. I am completely out of battery right now. We gotta charge because I am just wasting too much of it. Still gotta figure out is. Oh no! 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 Come over here! Come over here! Okay. Oh, you gotta hold it. Okay, I remember now. Okay. Just wait for my battery to charge a little bit more so I can get like a couple of. Just gonna dash for a little bit. Let's get the heck away from these guys. Alright. Where's the one that's almost dead? That one's gone. Alright. This is very helpful. I wish I'd known this before. You can just hold Y and it groups everybody together so you don't spread out and make you a smaller target. It's out of dodge. You done? You done? You done? He's dead. Okay. I'm getting... Oh, hey. What is that? Oh, boy. Oh, that just looks... That looks fun. It's like cracking a head. Oh god. Oh. Oh no. No, 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 no. Why we gotta fight two of them though? Me no like McGang. Wow. Well, this is gonna have to wait a second because whoa, 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 whoa. This is going on a half hour, so when I next come back, we'll go ahead and tackle these two brutes and see what goes on from there. I'm not sure I'm gonna do.